guys, like in the video. So in the video last time I said that we have a big surprise for you. Yeah, we're in a new location, guys. We have a shoe rack here, and we have a clothing cabinet behind us. And yeah, today we're gonna be reviewing the YEEZY Boost 350s V2s and Burberry surprise for you. And I would say we actually start with the Burberry. So yeah, let me unpack it, then I'll show it to you guys. We put the YEEZYs away for now. Bag. So we have a bag, you know, for around the waist or like that. It's a Burberry, a little bit closer if you want to see. The side right here, yeah, really cool. It says Burberry on the side, and then we have a little like detail for the originality of it too. I'm gonna show you now how much actually fits inside this fanny pack, if you want to call it like that. So in the bigger pocket, we can fit a phone. You know, maybe some arm sleeves if you going to the court or somewhere. Very well, fits also in there. Then we have sunglasses, also fits in there. Yeah, that's the bigger pocket. Now we come to the smaller pocket. You know, maybe some headphones or some cards if you need to. Yeah, so that's one thing you can fit in it. Then you can also, let me put the stuff away again. You can also fit in maybe like a wallet, you know, maybe a bigger wallet fits in here too. And you know, you could probably put, you can put in a phone too. And yeah, that's really all you need. You know, I still have the headphones up here. Yeah, so it's, you know, if you don't need a really big bag and just want to go around the city or somewhere, this is good because, you know, it's not too big, so it's not going to drag you down too much. You can put it around your shoulder or your waist, and yeah, it's really cool. And the price for this was $590, which I think is a good price because it looks cool. You know, for, you know, you can fit it with a lot of things, and it's black and white. So guys, you have it on. It looks very cool. I have it around my shoulder right now. I will also show you what it looks like around my waist. It looks really cool, you know. I can show you. Fits everything inside if you really wanted to. Your phone. I have a pretty big phone. You know, fits perfectly fine. It's not heavy around you, you know, so it's really cool. And yeah, let me put it around my waist so you see what it looks like there. Okay, now we have it on my waist. You know, it also looks very cool up here, but I like it more to the side. You know, a little bit tilted too. Yeah, it looks cooler, I would say. Yeah, we come to the shoe, guys. I've been wanting the YEEZYs in a very long time, but they were always, I never wanted to spend that much money on a shoe, you know. But I finally came to the decision that I finally want YEEZYs, and I bought them on Friday, so yesterday. And I've opened them, but I haven't really worn them yet. So I'll show you guys now. Right, guys, let me open the package for you. Very cool. I like the packaging, how you open it to the side and not like that. So the paper is a little bit destroyed already, but that's okay for me. Here we go, guys. The YEEZY Zebras. Very cool. Still in dead stock, obviously. Very cool. You know, the Kanye shoes. They are a collaboration with Adidas and YEEZY. Yeah, YEEZY is part of Adidas, but yeah, really cool. The price of the shoe, I paid $330 for it. Yeah, a good price I would say for them. You know, the price is always going to change because it's you know, it's a shoe that you can't really buy in a store. Alright guys, now before we look at the shoe a little bit closer, I'll put the box away. To the features first of all. So I really like the sole. You know, it's I've never seen soles like that anywhere. On the you know the colorway, I really like the colorway, the zebra. I like the side of it too because you know the red is in it. It's really cool. It's just not black and white. And you know the shoe itself is obviously very cool and a cool design. But if you like want just a white shoe, I would not suggest buying a Yeezy because you're just paying for the Yeezy, you know, not for the actual shoe. And there's some really cool white like socks, you know, this a very comfortable shoe. So you know you can buy like other Adidas shoes that are made out of the same material, but they're not Yeezy, so they're not as expensive. But you can't get like a zebra colorway with those shoes. Yeah, we have the bottom, guys. So it's a brand new shoe. I know, and really cool. These are the 2018 versions, so the sole is a little bit wider than the others. Another thing I really like too is the free straps, you know, because it's Adidas. Yeah, I can actually show you the inside a little bit. It says Adidas and Yeezy. There's padding inside, so it becomes more comfortable. And you know, there's different ways to tie your Yeezys. You know, you can wear them like Kanye and just rip it all out, and then the side. That's actually my favorite way. But the deadstock also looks very cool. For rating, you know, I've rated the other shoes on the rack right here too. I would give it a 9, a solid 9, because it's still a very expensive shoe, and you know, it's not really like a Louis Vuitton shoe where you can like it's just an Adidas Yeezy shoe, so it's very expensive for a sneaker. So that's why there's a point off, but otherwise it's a really, really nice shoe. I'm gonna put the shoes on so you see what they look like on my feet. And yeah, I'm gonna leave them in the deadstock for now. Very comfortable. Yeah. Feels nice on my feet. You know, they also look very cool. And you know, I've worn Yeezys before, so I know how they feel, but the exact same as the other Yeezys. So guys, I'm gonna try to lace them differently. You know, I've not done it before, but I've already seen some YouTube videos, so I'll try to lace them how I want them to be laced. So now, you know, I make them a little looser, the ties. So in the end, you have a little loop right here, and you can then, you know, on the side, lift this up like that, and then you can hide the loop here, and then you do the same thing over here. You put it through the hole, then you get the little loop, and pull it out, whatever length you want it to, and then you hide it behind here. And then, you know, it should look like that. You know, if you want it tighter, then you can leave it tighter. Yeah, that's the final product, how I like them. So that's called untied. And that's my favorite way. But there's many different ways you can tie them. I'm done with lacing them how I want them to be laced. You know, it's my favorite way. I think it looks the coolest. You know, this is kind of how Kanye wears them, but Kanye just he goes under all of them and then he rips them off like that, so it's very, very loose. So guys, before we end the video, just a little bit more info about the shoe. So size wise, I wear 11, so that's my normal size. You know, in Adidas I usually wear 10s, so it's actually one size above me. And you know, for some people it's always different. You know, then it says to go up a half or one, depending on like how wide your feet are, because the Yeezy, it's normal if your feet are not wide, you know, they're just average, I would say. Then choose your normal size, because that's how long they are. But for some people, you know, it's tight in there on the sides. But that's why it's always a little bit well, like weird when you want to get the Yeezy, because you don't know what size they are. So I would say before you even start buying a Yeezy, um, you know, check out the size you actually have, because if you buy them online and you didn't get the chance to try them on like me before, you know, it could be a waste of money. So guys, the video is now over. Yeah, I hope you like the new location. You know, thanks for watching, guys. See you next time. Your fashion boy.